In this video, I will show you how to see archived emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. Once that's done, I want you to come to the left sidebar and you click on this button that says More. And now you're going to click on All Mail. Now, I want you to notice something. All these mails with this inbox label, it means that the mails are in inbox. But to see if the mail is in archive, you see these mails without any label, those are emails that are in archive. And I'm going to prove that to you by clicking on this email from Leonardo AI. And I'm going to click on this button to move it to archive. Now once it's moved to archive, you can see it no longer has the inbox label. And when I move it back to inbox, it's going to come back with the inbox label. Now that's how you see archived emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.